Yo, what's going on? It's Troy Trouble Jones here in Houston with Ignite Films for Glory 63. Fight on February 1st. We're just getting a quick little workout in, just to build up some sweat, get out the tension.
Turn right onto North Freeway Service Road, then turn right. You haven't arrived.
Just chilling around the hotel, leading up into the fight. It is fight week, so I weigh in tomorrow. So then after that, it's fight time, baby, showtime. We just want to get the work in, get some sweat going. Got a couple pounds to lose, so just another way just to help speed up that process of losing the weight and just focusing and honing in on certain things that I need to sharpen up and just get the kinks out, really. That's really all this workout's for.
So these workouts are really important to keep your body sort of loose, keep your lungs open. If you just sit around for 3 or 4 days before the fight, it doesn't feel good to fight. When you first get in and that's the first time you start sweating all of a sudden in a couple days, it sucks. So these are good for that and good for your mentality too. It gives you a moment to forget cutting weight, forget the whatever, right? What's happening, all the interviews and shit, and then just focus on this for a little bit. Well, because in 2 days, you're gonna have to do it, right?
Before the fights, I want them to make a mind-body connection. Specifically, sometimes he's shadow boxing without focusing, and he's just moving his body, pure, just physical. His mind is somewhere else. And then there's a conscious switch to now focus on what he's doing and have a complete picture of what's happening.
Just got done with a quick little workout, just getting a good sweat in, hit some mids, shadow boxed and ran a little bit, just trying to get all the jitters out and getting a good sweat in. I still got a couple more pounds that I gotta lose, so just to help with that process, and I'm just cooling down now, so I feel good though, mentally ready, physically ready. I feel unstoppable. I don't think this dude has anything that I'm not prepared for and that I'm not ready for, so it's gonna be trouble once we come in there, so here I come.
Nah, we don't fight, we go to war. So when you step inside this ring, be ready for war. A lot of blood, sweat, and pain, and I need more.